Good morning, Junior 5. Our lesson today is about excretion and human urinary system. Lesson, excretion happens inside the body. Okay? What is the excretion process? What is the excretion process? Junior 5, when we eat food inside your body, some food is digested and some food is not digested. So some food is digested and some food is not digested. Okay? The food that's not digested, some food is not digested and some food is digested. The food that's not digested is called solid waste. Solid wastes, they are indigested food that becomes useless or harmful, that stored inside the large intestine, and we must expel it outside the body. Okay? While the food that's digested, the body carry it in the body cells. Okay? The body cells burn the digested food with oxygen. The body cells burn the digested food with oxygen to produce energy, and also produce another wastes, like this. Digested food plus oxygen burning process to produce energy to produce energy and other wastes. Again, digested food plus oxygen to produce, during burning, produce energy and other wastes. Okay, now we have two types of wastes. The food that's not digested is called solid wastes. This is the first type. And the second type, the wastes that produced from the burning of food inside the body cells, that are called excretory materials. Here there are two types of wastes: solid wastes and excretory materials. Okay, solid wastes, they are indigested food that stored in the large intestine, and it pass out the body. Okay? The excretory materials, they are waste materials from the body cells. يعني body cells بتطلعها وقت الburning. Okay? And the body must get rid of them because they are wastes. Okay? Turn the page. Now we are talking about the excretory materials. Okay, excretory materials, it contains harmless materials, contains harmless materials, and contains poisonous materials. Harmless materials, useless, the body cannot use. Okay, harmless يعني جسم مش عايزها اصلا. Okay, ما بيستخدمهاش. The body can't use them. And poisonous, poisonous يعني سامة. The body must get rid of. لازم الجسم يتخلص منها تماما. Okay, the excretory materials that the body must get rid of them are three types. First of all, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Second is excess salts and excess water. Number 3, nitrogenous wastes. And okay, carbon dioxide and water vapor, when the body burn the digested food and oxygen to produce energy, the body cells release carbon dioxide and water vapor. So carbon dioxide and water vapor released from the body during burning process of the digested food and oxygen. And the body gets rid of them through two lungs. Through what? Through two lungs. امتى؟ during exhalation process. Okay, the second type of wastes are excess salts and excess water. Excess salts and excess water. The body dissolves the excess salts in the excess water. يعني بندوب الملح في المية. And the body gets rid of them by two ways. Urinary system in the form of urine, and skin in the form of sweat. Okay. The third type of excretory materials are nitrogenous wastes. ايه هي nitrogenous wastes? When the body digests the protein like meat, fish, egg, cheese, when the body digests these food, the body breaking down proteins in the food and produce wastes. These wastes are called nitrogenous wastes. ناخد بالنا قوي هو breaking down of what? Fats ولا vitamins ولا protein؟ لا هقول له proteins. Okay? Such as urea and uric acid. دول كده examples of nitrogenous wastes. Type. The body gets rid of nitrogenous wastes through what? Through urinary system. In the form of urine. شباب أي حاجة through urinary system هتبقى urine. Okay? طيب excretory materials بتوصل ازاي للexcretory organs؟ يعني دي excretory materials موجودة inside your body cells. Okay? ازاي بقى توصل للexcretory organ؟ ازاي توصل للأورجن اللي عايز يخرجها؟ ازاي؟ through blood. Do you remember in circulatory system لما قلنا blood transfer materials to special organs to get rid of them. Okay? فاكرين مين اللي كان transfer الويستس to special organs؟ فاكرين؟ blood capillaries through thin wall. Okay, junior 5. The next. الكلام اللي احنا قلناه. excretory organs, 2 lungs, okay, excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor during exhalation process. during exhalation process لما بتاخد نفسك وبتطلعه بيطلع معاه carbon dioxide and water vapor وده بيطلع من 2 lungs. okay. The second type قلنا ان هو كان nitrogenous wastes. nitrogenous wastes expelled out the body from the 2 kidneys. from the 2 kidneys. 2 kidneys يعني ايه يا شباب؟ يعني الكليتين. okay. excrete them in the form of urine. عشان احنا قلنا اي حاجه urinary system expelled out the body in the form of urine. okay. قلنا ال excess salts and excess water بيخرج من الجسم ازاي؟ in the form of sweat through skin. من الجلد. طيب ايه في السكين بتاعنا بيخرج لي السويت؟ عندي حاجه اسمها sweat glands. sweat glands. sweat glands, they are special type of glands inside the skin. محدش يدور عليها عشان مش هنلاقيها. inside skin that secrete sweat. that secrete sweat. junior 5 ما ننساش excess salts and excess water ممكن يخرج ب 2 ways زي ما قلنا skin and urinary system. okay. secreting of sweat increase in summer. ليه انا بطلع sweat كتير في الصيف while the amount of urine decreases. why? due to the high temperature. due to the high temperature. اوكي. لما التمبريتشر بتزيد قوي الاكسس سولز والاكسس ووتر بيروحوا كلهم للسويت جلاندز. فالسويت جلاندز بتشتغل كتير فبالتالي بيطلعوا كلهم سويت. لكن اليورينيشن بروسيس decreases in summer والعكس في الوينتر في الشتاء. Thank you. This is part 1. The second part we are talking about the structure of urinary system. Thank you.